Aye. Make a wish, girl. You deserve it.
Yeah, baby, I seen the chick you're with. Wish that I never did. Freaking perfect and 5'10". Just wanna punch your lip. Yeah, 'cause I know I've been wasting time trying to catch your eye. Yeah, I know that I've been so blind, thinking that I'm your type. And no